Hi, thank you for your interest in the secure document product developed by X Securitas. I think you would have received a security document from someone. In this video I will explain how to open this security document using Android app. I assume that you have received an attached secure document file and document viewer download link in email. You must first install a dedicated viewer to view secure documents. If a dedicated viewer is already installed, you do not need to reinstall it. First, click the viewer link for Android in the email to install the app. You will now be taken to a site where you can install Secure Doc Reader on Google Play. Click the Install button to proceed with the installation. Clicking the Open button will launch Secure Doc Reader normally. Another installation method is to search and install Secure Doc Reader on Google Play Store. If Secure Doc Reader item is found, click the Install button to proceed with the installation. Now, let's go back to the email with the security document attached. Click the security document attachment to download it. After downloading the secure document, depending on the mobile version, the document may or may not open immediately. Do not worry, you can open security documents in Secure Doc Reader app. It is very easy. If the security document does not open immediately, please run Secure Doc app. Downloaded files are usually stored in Download folder, so let's go to Download folder in Secure Doc app. You will see the summary.docx.vs PDF file you downloaded. Now, let's open the document by clicking on it. The login window is displayed. In the username field, type the ID that you received from the sender. Normally, this is your email address. At first, you will not know the password. In this case, after filling the username, click Forgot Password and the password will be sent to your email. If successful, a window appears telling you that the password was sent. If the ID is not an email address or the password retrieval process has failed, ask the sender for the password. Let's check your email now. You can see the email with the password details. The email has a secure document password. Now enter the username and password on the login window and click the Login button. This window is displayed if the expiration date or expiration count is set. This window is displayed when there is a notification. Now you can view security documents. You can also see watermarks in the document, such as the confidential phrase that looks translucent. The dedicated viewer works on Microsoft Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone and iPad. All Microsoft Windows IE, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 are supported. How is it? Although you are now a secure document recipient, you can use the Secure Doc application to securely deliver documents to others and control documents. Please secure your documents with Secure Doc application. Thank you for watching.